What's going on, 3D printing world, and welcome back to another R&D Technologies video. Today I'm going to show you all of our 3D printers with some statistics and walking you through our print room. As you can see, the first printer we're going to go over, and we have two of these, is the Fortis 450. This is a great printer. Jay Leno even has one. It prints with a model material and a support material, which is very important for a lot of different prints. The 450 has a build volume of 16 inches by 14 by 16, a large build area for this already great 3D printer. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in purchasing any of these 3D printers, feel free to contact our sales department, Charles Havens or Alex Brown. They are both great guys and will help you figure out what the best additive manufacturing machine is for your particular situation. The 450 prints in many materials, including ABS, ASA, Ultem, PC, nylon, all these great materials for high temp purposes. Next, we're on to our Fortis 250s. These printers are a little bit older, but are workhorses. They have print volume of 10 by 10 by 10, another very decent size print volume for these amazing 3D printers. Now we're moving on to the 370. This is another great printer with a build volume of 14 by 10 by 14 inches. This printer is one of the only printers offered by Stratasys that can print in flexible filament. It can also print in Diran, which is a specialty material for this particular printer. I would also like to mention that we print in SolidScape, which is great for jewelry. Now we're going to move on to my personal favorite, the 900. The 900, frankly, is just an amazing additive manufacturing machine. This has a build volume of 36 inches on the X, 24 inches on the Y, and another 36 inches on the Z. This printer prints in the same materials as the 450s, just in bigger volumes. This is great for printing one large item or a lot of small items at once. When opening this massive door to this printer, you feel like something special is going on. And yes, before you ask, you can also purchase this printer through us. And now we're moving on to the 380 and the 400. The 380 is a smaller version of the 450s and prints in the same materials. It's a great printer for a lower price if you're not looking for the price range of the larger build volume. The 400 is the same as the 450s as well, it's just an older generation of it with a non-touchscreen interface. The 400, like the 450s, are workhorses. This thing just keeps on printing. And yes, if you have any questions about 3D parts, feel free to email our 3D parts department, 3dparts@rnd-tech.com, where we can make any part for you on any of our machines. Next, we're moving on to our PolyJet department. Now, PolyJet additive manufacturing technology is simply amazing. It prints in over 500,000 different colors. It prints in digital ABS and Shore values ranging from all the way down to 30 to 95. Now that's rubber-like materials and their hardnesses. Here at R&D Technologies, we currently own two PolyJet machines, a J750 and a Connex 500. So I appreciate you coming out and watching this awesome video on R&D Technologies. Make sure to check us out at rnd-tech.com. Thanks, and catch you later.